This video explains the essence of the Karatsuba algorithm. Now, Karatsuba was a Russian guy who in 1960 came up with this little whiz-bang, which is a to the power of x plus a to the power of b to the power of y multiplied by c to the power of x plus d to the power of y. You go, well, a to the x plus b to the y minus a to the xc. Multiplication, yes, that's it down there. ACX minus BDY will give you e to the power of 10 to the e by 10 to the power of x plus y. And that's what you see here worked out. All those results are gathered together there. Now what we have here, we're multiplying these. Now there's the 10 to the power of x columns up the top there. So we go 1 times 8 is 8, twice 7 is 14, 3 6s is 18, 4 5s are 20. And then we go, okay, we've got 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, 3 and 2, so it's a 3 and 2 column. So we add 1 and 2, which gives 3. 8 and 7, which is 15. And then we subtract that 8 and 14, which gives us 23 to the power of 10 by 5. And the next one is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4, 14, 56 minus 8 and 18 equals 30. 30 by 10 to the power of 4. Now 30 by 10 to the power of 4 is the same thing as 3 by 10 to the power of 5. So we added those and got 26 by 10 to the power of 5. And there's that 26 there. Now this is done right throughout the whole thing. We integrate again down here where we've got, we added 37 by 10 to the 3 plus 33 by 10 to the 3 is 70 by 10 to the 3, which is 7 by 10 to the 4. And that's it there, although we had space for the 70 by 3, it's the same thing. And there's the rest of them. As you see, we're all down here. Work them all out. There's your basic algorithm again. So this, what I have here, is the equivalent to this here, except it's got twice as many columns in it. We add those all together and we come out all of those. This one, this line, and this line, and you get the answer, which I checked on the calculator just to be sure, and it comes out the same. We'll just look at it. Okay, we've got a bunch of noughts, nothings, nothing is nothing. 2 plus 9 is 11, so there's that one. And we carry the 1, 8, 16 plus 4 is 20, so there's that 0. Naught. And then we have Okay. 16 plus 5 is 28, 10. 20, yep. And 20 there too. 20, 3, 3, 6. 4 and 7, 11. 1, 1 and 6 is 8. 2 and 8 is 10. So that's it. And so it's really very simple. You just have to use each and every pair of columns of 10 to the power of x, however many they may be, and run it through that simple algorithm of adding 2, multiplying those 2, and subtracting the vertical multiples. And of course, keeping track of the powers of each column. Right. I can tell you that there's a lot of stuff on YouTube about this, which they're either just pure algebra with no explanation, no demonstration, or they try to demonstrate it, but we get people who like want to call that A, and you know, I guess that one's B, and the same one have 3 numbers and 3 numbers, and long multiplication, blah blah blah. Whereas, for the sake of simply going through it step by step, you get the answer, and it is a lot quicker, especially when you're dealing with larger numbers than trying to do it one-on-one. Yeah, it's instead of, oh well, there are other videos on that, but it takes about just over 3/4 the time of long division, or steps anyway. Depends on how big the numbers are you're multiplying. Okay, that's that for me. What happened there?